Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and share your Netflix account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and if without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, go ahead access your Netflix on your mobile phone, and then once you have done so there are two things you basically can do. First thing, you would simply be able to go to your Netflix and simply create yourself a new profile, just like we have. So profile and parental controls, you can create a new profile for your friend and you can give them the access for it. That is the way they can come and they can have access and they can use it, right? Other would be simply, once you have made yourself an account, and you can easily share them the your login information to your friends, so they can go ahead access the Netflix app and enter the information and can access one of your profiles and can watch it. But make sure you haven't added multiple users from one particular profile, so they won't be able to get access. So check on how many users are using, and that is the way you can simply share your Netflix account with your friends and family. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.